Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts in IbisPaint X. First, open a new canvas and select the Circle tool. Draw a large circle for the donut's outer edge. Then, create a smaller, perfectly centered circle inside for the donut hole. This forms the basic donut shape, which we will refine in the next steps. Ensure both circles are distinct and well-defined. Now, let's add some color and texture to our donut. Select a light brown hue and fill the main donut shape. Next, use a slightly darker brown for the outline to give it more definition. To achieve a realistic baked texture, choose a textured brush and gently apply it over the donut surface. This adds a nice, subtle detail. Time to add the delicious glaze and toppings. Create a new layer above your donut base. Use a lighter color, like pink or white, and draw a wavy, irregular shape for the glaze. Fill this shape in. For sprinkles, make another new layer and use a small, thin brush to draw tiny, colorful lines or dots. This makes your donut look extra tempting. Finally, let's add some shading and highlights to make our donut pop. On a new layer, use a soft airbrush with a slightly darker shade under the donut and around the hole for depth. Then, add small, bright highlights on the glaze to give it a glossy, reflective look. Blend everything smoothly for a polished, professional finish. Your IbisPaint X donut is complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.